This is Alice Dawn Sally, and she's 5 days old. She's going to be 6 days old sometime in the wee hours of this morning, or tomorrow morning. And she's just had a feed, and she's got the hiccups, but she's cozy, and she has her eyes open, and she's looking all around. And she's got beautiful eyes. We can't decide what color they are.